Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Southwest plane's about to take off, so we stopped at the observation deck to watch it. Alright, there she goes. You can't see? Up, up, up. Find it. Oh, can't find the focus on it.
Slept like a baby.
Hey y'all, so we're inside Office Max in River City. They have their like 1 penny sale where you spend $5 to get 1 penny. And then I also bought Allie the stuff to make slime. So she's laughing at her own joke. I don't even know. She just told me, she's like, high five me, and then she threw her hand up in the air. So she's being silly. Can you guess where I'm at?
Cereal.
The kids are experiencing all the sample carts. But I can't have, you guys. They had chicken quesadillas. Sam's Wall of Service. It's 678 years of dedicated service. These are people that have got years. So it's like 14, 16, 17. The top's got 29, 30. Y'all, it is Florida hot today. We just got out of Sam's. We had to pick up some stuff. We got Kristen some lunch stuff for this week. We got the kids some dinner stuff for this week. What else? Oh, I got some Premier water. It's like protein water, so I'm gonna try that out.
Hey buddy, what's up?
We're gonna hit the meat store and then we're headed home because it is hot, y'all.
We have a bunch.
So, told you the other day, the truck has ants in it. So does the van. The van's is worse. I think because there's probably like crumbs and stuff from kids and things like that. But we've had a lot of rain lately, and I guess it's pushing them to higher ground. So I gotta find some ant killer and spring it all across my yard. I'm gonna concrete the whole thing and be completely done with it. But if you got any ant killer that you like, you think works the best, let me know. I'm gonna pick up what I can, but maybe you guys have some advice. So I'm making some bone broth. So I took some short ribs, some tomatoes, celery, onion, and jalapenos, and I roasted them in the oven for about 25 minutes until they're soft. I've got half a cup of beef broth in here, and then water to get it up to level. I'm gonna get that boiling, add this, and just let it all cook. So anyway, so all I did was really chop these up. These I bought cut up like these. All that'll have to come out before I can actually use it. So, but I'm just gonna let it cook for a few hours and then we'll have some beef broth. So, Allie and I just made slime. We bought this stuff at the store today. So,
What?
she made pink glitter slime. So, it's pretty easy. Took us about 10-15 minutes. So, it's pretty cool. Thought I'd show you guys our slime. There's my broth just boiling away. So I roasted all the veggies, scraped all the juice and stuff on the pan into there, and it's cooking away. And then I added some salt, some garlic powder, and this new seasoning that I picked up. So just let that cook for an hour or two, and then we'll have some good broth. This day ends, as all day ends. Thanks for coming along. Till tomorrow.